A C6 Corvette with a yellow jacket? An old, 62 Corvette with the engine being worked on. Interesting. I wonder what this could be. Why don't we step back and take a quick look? Welcome to Road Odyssey. Hope y'all are having a fantastic day. And if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And let's get into what's going on this 62 Corvette. A gentleman in the background, a Corvette in the foreground with a GoPro. Yep, this must be Yellow Jacket Garage. That's Brian slaving over this 62 Corvette, beginning some work on the air intake manifold. So just giving you a couple of quick pictures of what's going on. He had cleaned it up, gotten all the proper gaskets and whatnot in order to reassemble this. So it's one of those out with the old and in with the new situation. So he will be producing a video on this beautiful, machine. All the chrome, it's looking nice. So be looking for his future video, and that would be under Yellow Jacket Garage YouTube channel. He has lots of videos on this 62 Corvette and various other cars. So go out there, check him out, and see what's going on.